Okay, looks good. If you cannot do with mental calculation, use your calculator. Okay, very good. This is correct. Okay. Hold on. Let me get you the next question. Minus 3 minus 5. X minus 3 x plus 5. Yep, continue here. Yeah, money. Okay, what happened? So slow. Must follow the arrow. Hello. Times. Don't use your brain. Use your calculator. Come on. I told you not to charge your brain. I also don't charge my brain. Yeah?
Mental.
Yeah, don't charge your mental. Don't stop. I don't charge my mental. If I can use calculator, I use calculator. You stop using your mental calculation, okay? I also don't use my mental. If I got a calculator. Nice. Last one. Let me copy it over. 3, 2, 4, 5. 3, 2, 4, 5. Okay? Yep. Do it here. And probably you want to write smaller this time because not enough space. But anyway, if not enough space, you can continue here. Yeah. This entire space. Yeah. Can you see?
Yeah.
Go ahead. I have not seen anything. Why?
The pen wasn't
Oh, okay.
working.
Okay. Very good. Write it down. Second arrow. You better use calculator, okay? Hold on. This one 3x times 2x. What do you get?
6x.
6x only or 6x squared? Three x times 2x, so 3 and 2 is 6. X times x is x squared. So it should be x 6x squared. Continue. Looks good. Okay, huh? Did you use calculator or use brain? Here. Plus 15 minus 8. You have the calculator with you, okay? You don't have to use your brain much. Oh, okay, good. That's it. Correct. Now it's correct. Okay? Remember, 3x times 2x. So 3 times 2, 6. X times x, x squared. So 6x squared. Okay, next question. This one is factorization. Very good. So let's see. Let me get it to slide 7. So you should go to slide 7. It's uploading. Okay, yeah, done. So question 1. What I see here is you take out 5p square. No way. Here. So you take out 5p, right?
Yeah.
You take out 5p, then how come you show like you take out 5p square? So if you look at it, right, you take out 5p. These two, right? Right? So you take out 5p. So you cross out the 5p. Then you are left with x plus 9p. Right? Am I right or not? How come you get 5p square? You take out 5p, right?
Yeah.
Then how come you got 5p square here? How come you got 5p square here? You take out 5p only, right?
Yeah.
Then how come you got 5p square here? Understand? Understand or not? Hello? You understand? You understand now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So before we do the B, It's more complicated. I don't want to do the b first. Let me do the this 16x minus 4 first. So you see. You never follow my step. Okay, let me just continue from here. So what you see? So you have 16x minus 4. So you split 4x. This one you split to 4 only or 4 and 1. You only split to 4. By the way, you are not splitting. 4, you just slash 4. This is not splitting. Splitting means something times something. So it should be 4 times 1. And then there is a minus sign here. Can you see my work?
Yeah.
Then what is common? 4 is common, right? Take out the 4, then cross out the 4. So left with 4x minus 1. This is the answer. So I want you to follow every single step. Okay? Can you follow next time?
Yeah.
Then how come you did not follow here? How come you also never follow here? Okay? Before I do C, I will do the next one first. Looks like there is no next one already. Okay, good. Then I will do B. Okay, for B, right, it's more complicated. I will show you why I say so. 3ay minus 6by minus 2az plus 4bz. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so for this question, I suggest this. You split it to first half, second half. Okay. So big. Okay, never mind. So you split to first half, second half. So this is how you split. So you do the first half first. This is called the first half. This is called the second half. So your first step is split first half and second half. Now you do the first half. So how you do the first half? I think you have no problem doing because I also see it here, which is right. So you split to 3ay. Then this one, there is a minus sign in between. This one you split to 3, 2by. Very good. So your splitting is correct. Then now, the next step is you see that 3y is common. Right? So if 3y is common, take out 3y. After taking out 3y, right, cross out. So what you are left with? You're left with a minus 2b. So this is your first half. Are you clear?
Yeah.
By the way, it's 3y, not 3y squared. Wrong. Not 3y squared. Your answer is 3y squared. I don't know why you get 3y squared. Clearly it's 3y, right? 你看 3 and y, right? The 3 and the y, right? Is common, right?
Yeah.
Not 3y squared, right? There is no square here, right?
Yeah.
So you are supposed to cross the 3, take out the 3, cross the 3, take out the y, cross the y. So the first half is done. So your first half is here. Done. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Now we will do the second half. For the second half, you need to be very, very careful. Okay? You need to be very, very careful. Let me do it. I'm going to use red. So for the second half, so I don't know how you split. If you can split, you can. Okay. By the way, you split to 2az is not right. By the way, your z next time, can you do the z with a slash in the middle so that I can differentiate and you also can differentiate. Okay. So for this one, right, the minus. Okay. In fact, if you underline the term, it's actually minus 2az, and then for the last one, it's actually plus 4bz. So now, when you split the minus 2az here, right? How you split is, you are supposed to split negative 2, okay? And then a, and then z out. Okay? Because the negative is here, so you need to split the negative 2 out. And then the a, and then the z. That's how you split for the for this term. Are you clear? So you split together with the sign. And then the next step, right? The next step you can see is, you can split the 2, and then there is a plus before it. You split the 2, and then you split the 2, you split the b, and you split the z. Am I right?
Yeah.
And then with this, right, I think you see something, you only see what? You only see z is the same. You only see z is the same, right? Am I right? So, therefore, you cannot continue. Actually, you need to do it another way. And I am going to show you how you do it another way. So pay attention here. So for the question that you need to split first half and second half, this is the key. For the second half, you don't do it this way. For the second half, you need to do it another way. For the second half, right, if you look, what you need to do is, you need to put a minus, because the minus is here, right? You put a minus. Now you could give it a bracket. You bracket the 2az. You also plus the 4bz. Okay? You give it a bracket. And can I ask you one question? The question here start without the bracket, right?
Yeah.
And then somehow you insert a bracket to it. Can you see? I have inserted a bracket to it. Can you see?
Yeah.
So so if you insert a bracket into it, right? Okay, and then the minus sign is out, right? You need to change. You need to change the plus to the minus. Okay, every time you insert a bracket, and then you need to change the plus to minus. Why? Because if you don't change, let's say you don't change, just plus. So now you open the bracket again. What you end up with? First bracket you get 2az, right?
Yeah.
Second bracket you get, second arrow you will get minus plus 4bz. Minus plus you get what? Minus plus you get minus. Right? So then you start to realize, hey, my original question is this. My original question is minus 2az plus 4bz. But after I insert the bracket, I end up with minus minus. This is not what I want. I want what? I want plus 4bz after opening the bracket. So therefore, instead of plus here is minus. Because only minus inside the bracket will give you plus after the bracket. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear? Like, actually this is the most important step. You put the minus out there, insert the bracket, and then change the plus to minus. Here. Since you insert the bracket, you insert the bracket which the question not start with. So you insert the bracket, and because it's minus, therefore you change the sign plus to minus. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Because why you need to change? Because when you open the bracket, this will first arrow will give you 2az, which is minus 2az. Then minus minus will give you minus minus will give you plus 4bz. Then only you can get back the original. That's why you need to change the minus sign here. after inserting the bracket. So every time you insert a bracket and the minus sign is out there, you need to change the sign. Then with this, then you can start doing things already. How? You just do this. Split inside the bracket 2az minus split 2bz close bracket. Then now take out common factor. So it's 2z is common, 2z is common, right? So take out 2z. So take out 2z, cross the 2z. So what is left? A minus 2b is left. So that's the answer for second half. So now, when you have the second half answer and when you have the first half answer, then you can do them together. Okay, so just write it. Same level. Then can you see that these two is the same? A minus 2b and then a minus 2b, they're the same. So if it's the same, take out. A minus 2b, take out. So once you take out, cross out. Take out, cross out. So what you are left with? 3y left minus 2z. So this is the answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, can I ask you to try this question? Hold on, let me give you another question. So the question is this. Can you go to slide 8? I'm going to upload this question to it. Then can you do it like I teach you just now? Can you see the question already?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you do this question like I teach you just now? First half, second half, then do the first half. Then what you need to do for the second half? Insert the bracket, change the sign. I leave it to you. Slide 8. So you split like this. Okay? I help you with the splitting first. Why you split 5 to 4? Why cannot be 10 to 2? Can it be 10 to 2? 28, can you split to 22? I mean 10 to?
Yeah.
Can't you see 20 is 10 to and then 10 is 10 1, then you can take out the 10. What are you waiting for? So once you take out the common one, then cross out. To see, you go and read. Okay, first half done, second half. Insert the bracket. Don't branch out first. Insert the bracket first. Wait, you don't put the bracket in the question. You do it the next step. The question untouched. Wait. Where you are supposed to insert the bracket? Where you are supposed to put the bracket? After the minus sign or in front of the minus sign? So you insert the bracket, what you need to do? Can you get back the original? Can you get back the original? Compare. Can you get back the original?
No.
No. So cannot. So that means you have to do something to the sign. Is it plus or minus? Inside the bracket.
Plus.
Now it's plus. Now it's plus. And you don't get back the original. So in order to get back to the original, you need to hello? Now it's plus inside the bracket and you cannot get back the original. And you must get back to the original. So what you need to do? Try with minus inside. The plus cannot do already, then try with the minus inside. Go ahead. I ask you to change the plus sign inside first. Okay, now you try with minus. See if you can get back the original. This is your original, by the way. This is your original. Can you get back the original?
Yeah.
If you can get back the original, yes. Start with this. Yep, start with this. Yeah, start with this. Start the branching out. When you can get back the original, that means your this transformation is correct. Start branching out. Stop. Your branching out is wrong. Your branching out should be inside the bracket. Like this. Not outside. Because the 4b minus 2bc is inside the bracket. So that's why you need to do it this way. You can use the eraser, okay? You don't give me this nonsense handwriting. You don't confuse me with the 2 and 3, okay? Your handwriting is very ugly, okay? Which handwriting is very ugly? Hello, your handwriting is ugly.
Where?
I can't even read. Is it 24B or 22B or 23B? I don't know.
It's clearly 22B.
Is it 22B? Is it 22B? Now it's 22B, okay? Now it's clear cut.
Just now was also a 2.
Just now was a 2, okay? Sometimes you see it as a 4. Sometimes you see it as a 3. You don't give me a tail. There is no tail, okay? You keep making mistake like this, and then you get this mistake during your exam, and you don't want to learn from it. If you don't want to learn from it, you give me this kind of nonsense, I'm going to ask you to copy 100 times. That's why tomorrow I need to talk to your mom. Wait. You take out the 2b. Where's the minus sign? There is a minus sign here. Can you see or not? There is a minus sign here. Where's your minus sign? Redo. I can't read. You squeeze everything together. 重来。Nonsense. Good. Yes. Adjust the line. You better write it properly, okay? Very good. So now you can combine this. You can combine these two, and then do together. What's common?
2 minus 3.
Okay, good. Take it out. Take it out and cross it out. Right, what are you left with?
10A and
Write it down.
negative 2B.
Yep, write it down. Bracket. Correct. So this is the final answer. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so you need to remember this, this conversion. This conversion is put a bracket, then change plus to minus. This one, you put the bracket, then after you need to change the plus to minus. Are you clear? Then after that, then you do the branching out. Okay? Can or not?
Yeah.
Okay, you say yeah. Okay, let me give you another question. Just below. Okay, do this. Insert a bracket into it. Wait, you are not supposed to input the bracket into the question. The question is a question. You don't change the question. You want to change, you change the next step. How can you change the question? You insert the bracket already. What is the next step? You test. You test whether you can get it back or not. Test. Correct or not. Compare. Correct or not correct. Correct or not correct? This one and this one.
No.
Yes or no?
No.
No. So that means something is not right. Which one is not right? You look at the conversion. You look at the rule over there. You look at the conversion. What did I write here?
I knew. Can we have...
Hmm? What did I write here? Okay, now you change to minus sign. Okay, test. Test. Okay, looks good. Okay, that means your transformation is correct. Okay, good. 可以了. Now you do the branching out. So that's how you test whether your transformation is correct or not. Now you do the branching out. By the way, it's BD, 20 BD. Now you can do the branching out already. 40 and 20, what you branch? Before you show the branching out, you better write the minus bracket also. You start with the minus bracket here. Before you do the branching out, you better write it down first. Write down the minus bracket also. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Okay, good. So what's common? Okay, take it out. Take it out of the bracket, I mean. Okay, once you take it out, you cross out first. Yes. 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 So what you are left with? 2 minus. Very good. Okay? So this is how you do this kind of question. Okay? Remember the step that you test. You need to test. But anyway, if you don't want, if you want to remember, a shortcut is this. The shortcut is once you insert the bracket, then you need to change the plus to minus. If you want to memorize this rule, memorize this rule. If you don't want to memorize the rule, it's fine with me. Okay, it's fine with me. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, good. Let me see what's the next question. The next question I think is pretty simple. Let me just get this out and hold on. Not good, sorry. Okay, this is the one. Go to slide 9 and then I'm uploading the last part. Okay, good. Okay, the first question, the expression, right? Single fraction, that one, I think you are wrong. For the first, I mean this one. So this one, how you do it? Okay, let me just continue this first. How you are supposed to do this? You never show me any single step, so wrong. Simple. So, what do we have? 3, 6. So what you need to do? You need to make it. Make what? You have different denominator, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
So if different denominator, what is your first step? For different denominator.
Change the same.
Correct. How? Times a 2 here, times a 2 here. So times a 2 after that, what you get? So you get 2x plus 6. Below, 2 times 3, 6. Done. This one, 5x over 6. So same denominator already, right?
Yeah.
Then, what about the 1? The 1 you need to change to what over 6? What over 6 give you 1? 6 over 6.
Yeah.
So that's how you convert to same denominator for the 3 terms here. So once you get to the same denominator, simple. Denominator 6. Above, add up. Simplify above. 2x, 5x, 7x. 6x, 12. That's the answer. Are you clear?
Yeah.
For 1 to 1, same technique. Can you do 1 to 1? Oh, no. Can you do, okay, no need. 1 to 1, you go back and do it. I want you to go back and redo this entire page. Actually, I want to talk about this simplify. I want to see whether you are correct or not. Because this part is more important. So how I will do this question is, let me just write down the question first. Okay, what I see here is I need to open the bracket for this one first. So after opening the bracket, what do I get? You see, you never give me you never simplify. You never do it step by step. Okay, this is what you are supposed to show me. What's the first arrow? First arrow. Slide 9. First arrow.
Negative 5x.
Second arrow.
Minus 5.
Third.
Minus 2x.
This is what you are supposed to show me. First step. And then minus 5 is plus. Minus 2x is plus. Now, second arrow, by the way, is no. You can call this the fourth because first, second, third is on top. So now, another round of arrow. What do you get? Another round of first arrow. Here.
Minus 7x.
Second arrow.
Minus 5x.
Third.
Minus plus 5.
Fourth.
Minus plus 2x.
Minus, plus. Minus, plus, minus. Minus, plus, minus. Combine similar term. 6 minus 7 minus 1 plus 5 plus 4. 4 minus 2, 2x. Minus 2 minus 7. This is supposed to be the answer. You are supposed to show every single step. I don't know what nonsense is this. Are you clear?
Yeah.
So for part B, you need to show me every single step. The first arrow is this. This. Then you show me another arrow and then continue. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Are you clear or not?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So if there is no more question, then we can end the lesson today here. Okay? So I will give you this similar question the next time. And you are supposed to follow every single step. You don't do it your way. If you don't know what to do, you can refer to this recorded video. Are you clear?
Yeah.